Companies Act, Section 446B, Lesser penalties for certain types of companies. Section 446B of the Companies Act, 2013 provides a beneficial and supportive provision designed to ease compliance burden on specific categories of companies that are generally smaller in scale or are newly established. It recognizes that such entities may require more flexibility during their early or growing stages and should not be excessively penalized for minor non-compliance. This provision promotes entrepreneurship, encourages small business growth, and ensures that penalties are proportionate to the size and operational capacity of such companies. 1. Reduced penalty structure for eligible entities. Despite the general penalty framework under the Companies Act, if any non-compliance or default occurs by the following types of companies: one-person company, OPC, small company, startup company, producer company, or by their officers in default, or any other person responsible for compliance, then reduced penalties shall apply. 2. Extent of penalty reduction. The reduced penalty under this section is not more than half of the penalty stated in the relevant provision of the Act. Subject to maximum limits as follows: 2 lakhs rupees, 2 lakh rupees for the company. 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees for each officer in default or any other responsible person. This ensures that penalties remain fair, reasonable, and affordable for companies with limited financial capacity. 3. Purpose and rationale behind the provision. This relaxation is provided to encourage compliance rather than punish minor lapses. Support early-stage and smaller regulated entities, reduce financial strain and operational disruption. Promote a business-friendly regulatory environment, foster innovation and entrepreneurship in India. The law acknowledges that punitive penalties may discourage growth and investment, especially for companies still stabilizing their operations. 4. Explanation clause, definitions for clarification. To eliminate ambiguity, the section clarifies the following. A. Producer company refers to a company defined under Section 378A(l) of the Act. These are companies formed by producers engaged in activities such as farming, handloom, agriculture, etc., to improve their economic viability. B. Startup company means a private company that is incorporated either under the Companies Act, 2013 or the Companies Act, 1956, is officially recognized as a startup by the central government, specifically by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, DPIT. This ensures that only genuine startups registered under government initiatives enjoy reduced penalties. 5. Key benefits of Section 446B. Promoting compliance culture rather than fear of punishment, aligning legal measures with the government's ease of doing business reforms. Supporting grassroots enterprises and Startup India mission, enabling better focus on innovation, growth, and sustainability. It serves as a positive legal incentive rather than a restrictive regulatory pressure. For more details, contact us.